You can tell a story by using ScratchJr. So here's my horse, and I am going to tell a story in which this horse is looking for his best friend, the butterfly. Okay, first I want my horse to pace back and forth, so I will pick a trigger block, this green flag one, and I want him to pace back and forth about 5 times to the right and then 5 times to the left. And this time I'm going to use a cool block, this repeat block, and put these 2 in there and then connect it to the green flag block. And I want it to repeat pacing back and forth about 3 times. Let's see what it does when we click the green flag. Okay, so I also want my horse to say butterfly, butterfly, because he's looking for the butterfly. So I will stick this in there and say butterfly. Okay, so he should pace and say butterfly 3 times. And here we go. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. So he's really looking for his friend butterfly. So after he does this, I want him to be facing the other way. So after this 3-time repeating, I want him to face that way. Butterfly, butterfly. I am going to add another scene by pressing this plus button here. This is the default cat that I don't need right now. I will X him out by pressing down on him, and then pick my character, the butterfly, and then I want to change the scenery here to this one and click on the checkbox to confirm my choice. And I will drag this butterfly. Maybe he's in the tree and that's why the horse can't see him. So I want my horse to appear in this scene also. So I modified the horse. It used to look like this down here, but I modified him to have green hair and some different colored things. And you can see in the other video about how to do that. Confirm my choice. And he's a little big here. I'm going to drag him down here, make him a little smaller by using this purple looks block that makes him smaller. We'll click on that to make him a little bit smaller. Okay, I don't need that anymore. So, oops. So I will use this one now, the grow button, to make him grow a little bit. Okay, I don't need these 2 anymore, so I will drag them out. Okay, and then I will click the trigger block on green flag. I want him to say, I picked this purple, looks, the saying something through reading is under the looks part of the programming palette. So I want him to say, where are you, butterfly? Okay, he's going to say, where are you, butterfly? So what I want to happen here is when the horse says, where are you, butterfly? I want the butterfly to say, I'm here on the tree. I'm going to use this command now. And this means after the horse says, where are you, butterfly? The program is going to send a orange message. We won't really see it, but it's going to do it behind the scenes. And so when I click on the butterfly, this trigger block I'm going to use is right here. So this means that when the butterfly receives the orange message, once again, we're not really seeing it, it's behind the scenes. I want the butterfly to say, I'm here in the tree. Okay, so let's go back to the horse and click the green flag. Where are you, butterfly? Sends the orange message, and then when the butterfly receives the orange message, he says, I'm here on the tree. Okay, so I want this to be more automated, so I'm going to add a block to the first scene here. This one wasn't there before, but now that I added another page, it appeared. And I'm going to put this at the end of my code for the horse. So that means after all of this script runs, after all of these things happen, turn to the second page. And then when I get to the second page, whatever starts with this green block, it's going to be automated. It's going to start right away because I will click the green flag to set everything in motion at the beginning of the story. So let's see what happens. Let's go to the first page and click the green flag. We might have to debug. We're going to test it to see if it's running the way that we want it to. If it's not, we can debug and change something in the code. Let's go. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Where are you, butterfly? I'm here in the tree. So there was my story. We could have also used this recording button so that instead of words, we could have recorded the things that the horse and the butterfly were saying.